Hello YouTube, this is Johnny. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to fix this problem, screen overlay detected on your phone. So this is a Tecno phone and this would work on other versions of Tecno. So I'm going to go ahead and I was trying to go to check on my videos in this phone, and this happens even if you hard reset your phone. So this will ask permissions, but you'll get this error, screen overlay detected, and it asks you to go to the app settings. And when you go here, let me show you where you go to access the app settings. You go to settings, then you go to apps, you scroll and you go to apps, as you can see. So when you go to apps, I want you to go to this option here, this settings app. Then you see draw over other apps when you click that option. So we have this hotkey key that we don't even see on our screen. It is hidden somewhere. So you go ahead and disable it by tapping on that to disable. So when you go back, you click the menu key, and I'm going to try to go to my photos. The video is now working. I don't have any video there. I'm going to go to gallery. Let me go back. Gallery, it will ask for permissions, then I accept. Then gallery will be able to work very well. And this works on all other apps to disorganize them. And when you go to file manager, still it works. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like, comment, click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload these videos like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye. See you in my next video.